the Baldwin Water Treatment Works happens to operate one of the largest finished water reservoirs in the United States. It's 135 million gallons of finished water, which flows by gravity to downtown Cleveland, Ohio. This is a reservoir that was installed around 1925. When it was initially installed, it was installed with Venturi flow meters. There are 7 discharge lines that flow out of the reservoir into a pumping station and also by gravity to the city. After almost 100 years of use, the Division of Water lost the ability to see flow out of the Venturis. These Venturis were very, very deep in the ground, probably 50, 60 feet below grade. The cost of replacing these Venturis or putting them back in working order was prohibitive. When we saw the Flexim technology for the first time, we were kind of encouraged, again, looking at ultrasonic technology because it seemed to be a very stable instrument, very accurate flow measurements, particularly low flows, which is something the Venturi doesn't do so well. We tested a portable meter, and we tested it against the Venturi, and we were very impressed both with the ease of installation and also with the performance of the meter. We looked at the possibility of installing as many as 7 ultrasonic flow meters at the Baldwin Reservoir. We went ahead and did that, and it was successful. The pipes coming out of the Baldwin Reservoir, some are 48 inch, some are 42 inch. This is very old, thick cast iron piping in vaults, deep underground. So that presented a number of challenges that had to be overcome. And apparently these challenges did not pose a challenge to the Flexim technology. The impact of the flow measurements out of the Baldwin Reservoir are very significant. Information is extremely valuable to us in terms of how water is distributed through our distribution system. This being a major plant in our system that distributes to very important areas such as downtown Cleveland and some of the suburbs. Now we actually have that information available. We can know exactly how much water is flowing to downtown, how much water we're pumping up to suburban areas. We can best assess our leakage of specific areas that we are examining. We can assess pump performance. We can assess a number of parameters that we could not assess before because of the lack of flow measurements.